In my video today, I'll be telling you 5 side hustles a student can do and make money online in 2024. This means that you don't need any kind of interview, you don't need any kind of certificate, you don't need any kind of degree. Everything that you need, of course, is your smartphone and your internet connection. Once you have a smartphone and you have an internet connection, you can make money online. And if this is what you like to see, I will advise that you see this video unto the end. With this being said, I will be right back. The first side hustle a student can do to make money online is by writing online. Writing online is divided into different categories. We have those who write stories, we have those who write newsletters, we have those who write articles, we have those who copyright, we have different kind of writing. And once you have discovered the kind of writing you want to do, everything that you need to do is to upload yourself, use Fiverr, some use Fiverr, some use Upwork, some even write stories online. I, for an instance, what I do is to write stories online. And if you check this video description, you will see different links I'm going to put there for you to start your writing journey. Also, I'll be putting a link in the video description. This will be a course for you to take if you want to learn how to start writing stories online and make monies online. I have been able to do this and I've been able to see results like this one and this one online. All right. The second way you can make money online as a student is by creating content. See, you need to ask yourself, why are people creating video content on YouTube? Why are people so serious with TikTok? Why are people creating videos on Facebook and so many other social media? It is because people are monetizing their content on this platform. For instance, on YouTube, people are creating a lot of videos on YouTube and they are uploading them on YouTube to make money online. If you can able to have 1,000 subscribers, 4 hours watch time, and other criteria, if you are able to fulfill them, you are going to monetize your content on YouTube and you can start making money on YouTube. People are really making money on YouTube, and you can start making money as well by creating content that you are passionate about. All right. So content creating is a way for you to make money online. But note this: this is a disclaimer. You don't start making content and you think you will start making money immediately. No, it is not possible. People take The third way you can start making money online as a student is to become a thumbnail designer. See, if you are very good at creating designers, you can make good money online. For instance, YouTubers are looking for designers, people who can create thumbnails for them. YouTubers know the importance of thumbnails. They know that if you can craft a very good thumbnail, people will view their videos. They are going to have a lot of videos. So with this, they are willing to spend money on designers who can help them create a very enticing thumbnail. So if you are a thumbnail designer, everything if you are a graphic designer, everything that you need to do is to sell yourself. All right, go to Upwork, go to Fiverr, upload your profile, set up your account, and start getting gigs for YouTubers who want to create thumbnails for their videos. It is very simple. You don't need any kind of interview, you don't need any kind of degree, you don't need any kind of whatsoever to do this. Everything that you need is your smartphone. Now let's go to the fourth way you can start making money online as a student. The next on our list is website designer. You can make money as a student by becoming a website designer, because there are a lot of people who wants to create websites for their blogs, who want to create websites for their company, who want to create websites for their product, who want to create websites for their services. And if you are a website designer, this is your time to make money online. Everything you need to do is your phone and an internet connection. Create an account on Fiverr, create an account on Upwork, optimize it, and start getting gigs worldwide. If you don't want to use Upwork or Fiverr, you can start using LinkedIn to reach out to prospective people who can give you gigs. If you don't want to use LinkedIn, you can use remoteok.com. There are a lot of platforms whereby you can get gigs to become a website designer. This is a major way people are making money online, and most interestingly, you don't even need a certificate to do this. So what are you waiting for? Let us go to the fifth way you can make money online as a student. The next on our list is a sales rep representative. You can make money online as a student as a sales rep representative because big companies are looking for people to help them handle their customers. They are looking for people to help them receive their phone calls remotely, no matter where you are in the world. And everything that you need is your smartphone. If you can become a sales representative whereby you can only test, respond to customers' emails, respond to customers' calls, respond to customers' messages, you can make money online doing this. Everything that you need to do is use this website that is appearing on your screen right now. With this being said, I am coming to the end of this video, and if this is what you want to see, I would advise that you like this video. I would advise that you subscribe to this channel so that you will be the first person to get to see our video whenever we drop them. With this being said, I will say thank you for seeing this video, and I will see you next time. Goodbye.